David! Look what David did. David corrected my Porsche. Came in full of swirls, full of scratches. Looks pretty good, huh? Everybody know David owns TopShine Mobile Detailing here in Lafayette. He's doing my clients' vehicles, and I wanted to give him a chance to do more than just clean people's vehicles. I, however, did Ceramic Pro Silver on my car. 2 layers of 9H, 1 layer of top coat, 5-year warranty, 5 years on Carfax. Came out excellent. David did a great job. He'll be here more at the shop next year. Who knows? He may be polished by full attention to detail as well. Stay tuned.